Let's focus in on the value of this deal. We understood yesterday that a deal was to be done. Now the devil is in the detail. And the detail is this rather whopping figure here, 15.6 billion euros. That is how much Alcatel-Lucent is being valued at. Quite a little bit more than had been expected by some of the other analysts out there. Remember, we saw a ramp up in the shares yesterday. Interestingly, it's an all-share deal. Many had felt that this would be a cash and share deal because Nokia has cash to splash. Remember, it sold off its mobile phone unit to Microsoft last year, and it also could be looking to sell off its mapping unit. That is called HERE. That could be worth some 2 billion euros. But no, it's going to be an all-share overall deal, but the premium is quite nice for the investor base. 28% premium on what is the average share price for Alcatel-Lucent over the last 3 months. So investors getting some money back. Indeed, it would seem that Alcatel-Lucent shareholders will hold about a third of the company, 33.5% to be precise. Nokia will hold the rest. Nokia offering 0.55 shares, new Nokia shares, per Alcatel-Lucent share. So there is the split coming down. Interestingly, already both boards have agreed the terms of the proposed transaction. Now they've got to get it through the Nokia shareholders as well. And indeed, the French government. Remember, Alcatel-Lucent, although the government doesn't hold a stake particularly in this company, it might deem it particularly important. They've got a lot of R&D jobs based in France, some 700 it would be estimated at. They want to ensure that France remains a crucial area for Nokia, because let's have a look at the next screen. All of Nokia is going to be where the company is called and indeed where it's headquartered. New company will be called overall Nokia Corp, headquartered in Finland. Now, interestingly, Rajeev Suri will remain the chief executive. He has currently just recently taken up the reins since we saw the split of the handset unit with the networking unit of Nokia. Rajeev Suri has been the man serving as chief executive, really trying to focus in on what Nokia is good at, simplify the company overall. This is perhaps where some analysts have become a little bit concerned. Are we back to a whole new course of restructuring for these two companies? Both have been having to just really refocus on where their strengths are, trying to win the big contracts in America that Alcatel-Lucent has been doing, trying to focus on China, steer away, bat off some of the new competition, the Huaweis of this world, coming in, really competing with them on price. Now we know that they will leapfrog Huawei in terms of size and be able to offer telecoms equipment for a new innovative era. This is what they want, innovation leadership. This is about Internet of Things, Mark. This is about us needing more and more data flying through our tablets, our mobile phones. It's about fixed line and it's about your mobile broadband. This is where they want to compete and become a leader in this new connected world overall. Very interesting deal. Will be interesting to see how the market digests that 15.6 billion euro price tag, because that to me sounds more than what analysts were expecting. But when you've only got Alcatel-Lucent taking a third of the overall company, well, the premium in terms of Nokia share price, market value to Alcatel-Lucent wasn't 2/3 bigger. It was just a third bigger. So it seems that Nokia perhaps getting a bit of a sweet deal in terms of the ownership of the combined unit.